soy milk, I used regular milk because that's all we had. Mine has extra pepper. It's a lunch sauce situation. Like it. Ooh. I'm so sorry for the non-meat eaters. Ashton's bowl, hold on. Ding! Here with my umbrella belly. July 16th. This is lunch. Some peaches from Trader Joe's, kiwis from Trader Joe's, watermelon from the garden, peppers. These ones Mark gave me for free because they had too many. Tomatoes on the vine from the garden. I love these because they last so long outside of the fridge. Green onions, some locally harvested honey, and oh shit, I think this is a bell pepper, and some shiitake mushrooms. Today's not a bad day. Today was it was a sad morning because I lost my necklace, the one and only. I feel like I lost a part of my soul, but I'm over it now. It took a couple hours. I'm not fully over it. I'm not fully okay, but that's fine. I'll be fine. I keep telling myself it's just a thing, but it's not just a thing to me. Whatever, doesn't matter. Anyways, bye. So for lunch, I'm gonna do a shrimp stir fry with some white beach mushrooms. I just have them sitting in some water to clean them off, and some of those peppers that I got from the garden. I'm not really sure what they're called, but they taste kind of like a mildly spicy sweet pepper. And this is what they look like. And they also got me. I got this green pepper and tomatoes. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna saute that with some garlic, and that's gonna be lunch. This is lunch. My lips hurt. What are you doing? For dinner yet again, we are having this soy garlic, but not really soy garlic pasta with mushrooms. But instead of soy milk, I used regular milk because that's all we had. Mine has extra pepper. That was Ashton's, you just saw. And instead of the original white baby bella mushrooms, today we used shiitake. Here's what I made. It is a pesto, homemade pesto with carrot tops, basil, I feel like I mentioned it before, and garlic. And the pasta sauce situation that I made here is with tomatoes, garlic, some white beach mushrooms, and that pesto I just mentioned over some spaghetti, reserved pasta water, and salt and pepper. This is one of the best seltzer sparkling waters I've ever had. Oftentimes, Ashton and I have two different pastas for dinner because he hates greens. Okay, it's a lie. He doesn't hate greens. He hates herbs. But as his mushroom pasta with Asiago cheese made with non-dairy milk. These are actually both non-dairy. Well, that's not true. I put cheese in it. Anyways. These are some random leftovers from a couple dinners. Some avocado on the side. Last night's pesto. And the other night's roasted carrots. And this is the chicken that I'm about to marinate for tonight's dinner. We're having salad. This is just olive oil, sesame oil, coconut aminos, a little bit of salt because Ashton cannot have salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, umami seasoning, and some ground ginger. I don't know what kind of flavor I'm going for, but it's gonna be good.
Fucking shit. Why you get this one?
Why are you so mad?
Are you recording me?
For dinner, we're having warm salads prepared separately because we're both different. I'm having a kale salad, sweet potatoes, and chicken. And on the side right now, I'm just having some garlic hummus, the same one I took to the park the other day. Pita chips. Way too much of it, might I add, but
No.
este es mi salad. So far, it is, I'm not really sure what day it is. You know what the date is, babe?
Mm-hmm. The 19th.
It's the 19th. I started this book yesterday on the 18th, and I have this little bit left, and I'm about to finish it. It's a chapter. It's pretty good. That's all I did today, as well as played tennis and some yoga and had coffee and breakfast and lunch and dinner. I wore this shirt that I look really nice in, might I add. And this is what my locks look like. And that's what my life is like right now. And after I finish this book, I'm gonna read this one. And then I'm gonna read this one. And then I'm gonna read this one. So if you want a book review, or even if you don't want a book review, you're gonna get one anyway. So, that's it. That's all I had to say. Toodaloo. Have a very lovely night. Make sure you brush your teeth, because I just did. Now we get to scrub your tongue.
Do not fucking show them your fucking nasty ass tongue. Cut that shit out.
And don't forget to floss. Okay? Have a good night, children.
Back in the bathroom, rewash that shit.
Today, Ashton and I went outside and spent an absurd amount of money. No, I'm kidding. No, we didn't. We got some groceries. There's some meats, some protein. We got some books from Strand. We got some lunch from Tacoma.
You just want me on camera so bad. Hey, people. I mean.
Do you see this? I
love
it when he does this. I love it when he does that too. Anyways. I really just got my camera because I made another lemon cake, and I wanted to show you what it looked like because it looks delectable, and the timer is about to go off in a couple seconds.
Y'all, I'm getting told. Tell them.
Ashton's fixing his posture, so he's getting told. Oh, the garlic's garlicking. Can you hold this? Oh, there's the timer.
Shout out to my mom.
Look how busted open. Like, busted like a tentacle. Ooh.
What the fuck is this song?
Clean.
Make sure y'all are always washing y'all dirty ass hands.
No cross contamination.
Exactly. Touching meats and cakes and shits and giggles and counters and fridges and alright, you're getting crazy. Shot by Ashton since Cevin wanna take all my credit.
I would love to vlog more of this meal, but I'm starving and we're about to dig in.
This is mad close.
You always gotta say something.
I'm sorry.
Some sweet green peas sauteed in the fat from the meat and a little bit of butter, salt and pepper, mashed sweet potatoes, and steak, obviously. I'm so sorry for the non-meat eaters, but oof. I used the leftover rotisserie chicken that we got from the grocery store the other day. I don't know if I even showed y'all that, to make a chicken noodle soup. First I made a bone broth with the carcass, and then obviously added tomatoes and, not tomatoes, carrots, onions, green onions, garlic, chicken, herbs, bay leaves, and some noodles.
Oh yes, garlic, celery.
Ashton's bowl, although it looks exactly the same, that bottle. And I organized my...
Move your feet, bro.
bookshelf area, if that is any consolation, and this little corner too. I practically demolished this bowl of salad, and I'm just mad because there's no more chicken. But it's arugula, chickpeas, chicken, cranberries, walnuts, cucumbers, and avocado, and olive oil and salt and pepper from Sweet Green. I mean, chopped. Ding. We just got, what's the word?
Chop.
No. Summoned.
We got,
what's the word? The word when they
were trying to like,
when they try to get you to be in a cult. Some lady named Karen just came and was like 1 minute and then talked for like 10 minutes, and it was so fucking trippy because I smoked and I was like smoking in her face to try to get her to go away, and she was not going away. She was sitting there inhaling all the smoke like a champ.
yeah, that was
She was like acting mad, like weird. I was like, here, we're here. She was like imagine her head floating right here, like talking at us. It was like talking at us. It was trippy.
I get invited, and I say I have.
They're just like gross. Like why?
And I that's my concern. And I know that there's a lot of bureaucracy there. This company. Yeah. The downside of that is that people are there.
I got a mucho mango, and this shit is so delicious. It tastes like one of those popsicles. I'm gonna try and insert a picture of it if I can remember what it's called. Look at this sweat. It is like 91 degrees outside, which means it's like 110 degrees in here.
Yo, the train station feels like it's like 285 in here.
Look how many motherfuckers in this room. And more coming. Y'all, I went to the beauty supply store and I asked for a shower cap. And the girl was like, first of all, great customer service. It was a Sally Beauty in Union Square. Amazing customer service. They were so sweet to us. We walked in and were immediately greeted and were not ignored like we normally are. Anyways, she was like, you want a big, like a regular sized one or a big one? I was like, I'll just take a regular sized one. So she hands me a shower cap. And I just take this out the package. And look at this. This is a shower bag, not a shower cap. It literally says, it says shower bonnet. This ain't no motherfucking bonnet. Whew, I have recovered from that scorching heat. Showered, washed my face, I've got a mask on, and then after this, Ashley and I are gonna wait, but we made some chicken nuggets.
Nah, you made this.
Ashley and I made chicken nuggets.
You made this by yourself.
These ones are coated in like an egg batter. Those ones are coated in a mustard batter. I think they're quite delicious. Ashton thinks they're airy. And I have this sparkling water that I've convinced myself is Sprite. Tell me this big ass nugget don't look good.
It don't. It look burnt. It look mad burnt.
It's delicious.
No. It's doing too much.
It's so pretty and it smells like beach. I doubt it.
Is that what Coney Island is?
Coney Island is where those people go loud at. That's why they put the stuff. We are going to the beach.
To the beach? Beach, let's go get away.
For the first time on this channel, we are not taking an Uber to the beach. We took the train. It took us, how much? $7 to get here in total between the three of us. And it only took about 30 minutes. And the beach is that way. We're going to walk there.
Is Total
As you can see, it looks like 2 blocks.
Not like one long one.
I think it's just a different, I think it's total in a different language.
If you don't know, it's Cevin, Sade,
I just
Ashton.
2 blocks is kind of wild.
You don't see it.
700 ass, what he's pointing out for me.
No, it's long here.
Y'all are, you're getting there.
You're not allowed to speak. You're just sitting there.
I'm here with my umbrella welly, waiting for them to finish digging. Actually,
No, it's scaring me. Like, can we just close it?
I'm scared that the wind is gonna like take it up.
No, literally.
But the wind is not.
What you gotta say?
The beach is more safe than being in the movies. It's not as easy when we're cracking on the sand like sardines. And the oceans in New York are fattened down, so if you're coming here thinking you're gonna have a nice vacation, don't do it. Because
The water is a little
the water
gray.
is cold. It ain't see-through. And
The Caribbean water.
I know it's
Not everybody's been to the Caribbean.
It's the superior water. Anyways, every other ocean but the Atlantic is superior.
Have you been in the Pacific?
Nice. I really tried, no? I was just there like, ah, she's just like continuing, and I'm like, ah. Give us light. And so I was like, and I'm not sure. My favorite part, So, of course, for generations, my family's gonna be hairy and shit.
She said, "Let me break it down for you."
Scientists who watch this video tell me I'm right or wrong.
Yeah.
You're not a scientist. You don't even know you're
And we got cotton candy. Hold it up.
Why the green one?
I'm independent. That was not as satisfying as
It wasn't. I'm sure it would have been better at home.
Oh, they think shooting the camera so bad.
I was dying. I can't even do it. I'm gonna try.